Hello guys, I'm here in Namdaemun Market. The Namdaemun Market is the biggest traditional market in Seoul. This Namdaemun Market is near Myeongdong and Namsan, so you should definitely stop by here. Namdaemun means the big south gate of Joseon Dynasty, and this one is the #1 national treasure. And right in front of the gate, you can see the Namdaemun traditional market. Okay, let's go. In here, there are so many street food and one of the biggest market in Korea, so you can get whatever you want.
Like towel, clothes, socks, and
Even jewelry,
and
everything.
and shoes and bags, everything.
Today is freakingly cold, but there are so many people in here. Can you see the people in here? First of all, we are so hungry and cold now. So,
We're gonna fill our bellies first with street food.
alright. We're gonna have 잡채 호떡. Can you see the line? It's freaking cold today, but there are so many people in here. This is so famous hotdog. 남대문시장.
계산할 때 같이 계산하고 잠깐만요.
네.
감사합니다. Wow, looks huge. Have a bite.
뜨거울 것 같아서.
아하.
It's a bit different with normal hotdog. It's more like dumpling, Chinese big dumpling, but it's fried one, not steamed. So much stuff inside. 잡채, vegetables, meat. That's the reason why I said it's more like dumpling. It's so hot. 줄 서서 먹을만 하네. It's so hot, right?
The hotdog is very soft and very chewy. That's so good.
And I can feel the taste of curry.
Yeah, little bit of curry.
It's very, very chewy.
And crispy.
At the same time. Have a bite.
잡채 hotdog is way much better than what I expected. This place is so famous, so I heard that place a lot from media. I didn't expect this much.
왜 이렇게 매워해? 왜 이렇게 뜨거워해? 약간 dance. Makes me dance.
I think because of the weather. It's so cold today.
I thought it may be very, very greasy, but it's not that greasy at all.
Because of the flavor of curry.
The curry balance the greasiness
족발. 족발 맛있겠다. 오, 맛있겠다.
꽈배기 3개.
이런 것도 많다.
3개 있으세요.
아, 먹고 싶다. 만두다, 만두.
5 dumplings.
3개 있으세요.
있습니다.
감사합니다.
맛있겠다.
You can also get some
저는 마음대로 섞어요.
soup for free. As you can see, it is very cold today. Ah, the soup is coming.
Fish cake soup for
Yes.
free. So warm, right?
So good.
Have some dumpling. We ordered 고기 만두 and kimchi mandu.
This is gogi mandu.
Dumpling with meat. Actually, we are kind of dumpling holic. So even 2 a.m. we usually go to dumpling store, right? For late night snack.
Nobody is gonna steal your mandu. This is kimchi mandu. It's a little bit spicy.
요거 3개, 요거 2개 포장.
After we arrived here, more and more people came. As you can see, there are a lot of line. There are lots of people. The last one. Are you gonna finish it all? Please leave some for me. 빵꾸.
Feels like melting in my body.
Yo. Compared to regular stores, I prefer to buy practical items at a traditional market at a cheap price.
You're gonna buy socks?
자기 한번 골라봐. 들어가 봐.
이런 거 있다.
응, 괜찮다. 테디베어 이것도 귀여워. 이거. Isn't it so cute?
이런 거 있다.
응.
이거 꽤 됐어.
됐어? 귀엽다. 나면 미니언즈.
Starbucks, Spider-Man.
해볼까? 여기다 애를 묶고 이렇게 줄게.
하나 더. 고맙습니다.
감사합니다.
수고하세요.
Finally, we got our socks.
10 socks.
10 socks.
$8.50.
Okay.
Extremely cheap.
조심하세요. 오세요. 자. 픽처. 사진.
남지 오세요. 다마스커 커피 하나 최고 맛있다.
I don't know what this place is. There's hidden place of Namdaemun Market. It's like a dungeon. Okay, let's get inside. 오. 칼국수다 여기 다.
맞아. 아버지 얼른 들어오셔요. 여기 앉아요. 비빔밥에 칼국수 드시면 냉면 서비스.
칼국수 먹자.
칼국수 맛있는데 앉아. 조금만 더 올라가자.
We settled on one cozy restaurant here. She's gonna cook for us right in front of us. 된장찌개. This is 보리밥.
맛있겠다.
됐다.
먹어봐.
먹어봐.
옛날 때나 우리 때는 남자가 가정적이면 직장인들 놀렸어. 먹기도 좋고 인심도 없고
감사합니다. 잘 먹겠습니다.
밥은 조금 먹었어.
맛있겠다. 맛있다.
우리나라 애들이 일본이나 유학 가면 그렇게 그냥 먼저 사람이 청소하고 하고 집에 조금 놀다가 커피 가져가.
그 냉면도 먹어봐.
언니 자리 있는 데로 올라가요. 자리 있는 데로 올라가. 자리 4개 나네. 한 집이 우리 집이에요. 한 집에 냉면 서비스 나오고.
이거 완전 맛있네.
엔들레스 누들.
언니 잘 가요.
이런 거요.
세 장에 2,000원.
세 장에 2,000원이에요.
앞에 거 2장에 1,000원 말고.
You know what that is? This is called family.
Italy Tower.
This is called family
Korean people usually rub their body with this towel. So you can scrub your body with this.
Is that a knuckle?
이런 건 어떻게 해요?
Ah, so cold today. Apron.
Tradition. It's like king's apron. You can get also some souvenirs.
You can get also souvenirs in here. I didn't know that. It's for makgeolli. Today I showed you Namdaemun Market. Did you enjoy it? If you like my show and want to see my next episode, then please subscribe here, please. And your comment is really important to me, so please leave many comments. Alright guys, enjoy my video and I'll see you next time. Bye.